Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete a member in Life360. Removing a member from your Life360 circle is a straightforward process, but it's important to note that only circle admins have the authority to do so. So I'm going to walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First things first, launch the Life360 app on your mobile device, and once you do that, it's going to take you to this map window. So tap on the circle switcher at the top of the screen to view all your circles. I have two circles here. Now choose the circle from which you want to remove a member. Once you choose the circle, that's it. Now tap on the settings icon represented by a gear symbol located in the upper left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, go ahead and select circle management. Then from here, you're going to see an option that allows you to delete your circle members. Okay, I don't have circle members yet. That's why the option to delete circle members is not available for me. And you can only find add circle members here. But if you have circle members from these options, you would definitely see the option for you to delete circle members. So go ahead and tap on delete circle members. And once you do that, a list of current circle members will appear. Go ahead and find the member you wish to remove and tap on their name. Then confirm the removal when prompted. Once a member is removed, they will receive a notification informing them of their removal. However, the notification does not specify who removed them. I'd like you to know that only circle admins can remove members. So if you're not an admin, you'll need to request admin status or ask an existing admin to perform the removal. If you are the sole admin and wish to leave the circle, ensure you transfer admin rights to another member before departing. I'd like you to know that it is cautious to inform the member about the removal, especially if it's due to inactivity or other non-contentious reasons. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.